What's up, guys? Today, just taking a quick look at these dry erase markers. I've had these for about 2 years and I use it for a little dry erase board in my garage, but these are fantastic. They work pretty much just like most dry erase markers that you've ever used. As you can see, you have kind of a point here where you can tilt it and get a full larger streak, and then you have the top point, which is more for like fine line and details. Works the same way. Every color is kind of the same, but what I really like about these is that you have an eraser on the top, so you don't have to keep an eraser around or anything like that. You can just take this, erase right off, and start in on the next thing. But really creative design, really unique. Like I said, I've been using these for a while and they work just like I want them to. So if you're looking for something like this, check it out. I have been really happy with them. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.